Hi friends! Welcome back to Uttara Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Around the world, there are different types of rices that are unique. Now, today we're going to be making Bisi Bele Bath. Bisi Bele Bath is a comfort food from the region of Karnataka, India. Bisi Bele Bath, which translates to hot lentil rice dish in Kannada language, is a wholesome meal. Now, let me tell you, this recipe is time consuming, but the amount of time you put in it is worth it. Let's start making this wholesome meal. To a mixing bowl, add rice, tur dal, wash 2 or 3 times. To the washed rice and dal, add water. Water quantity may differ based on your rice and dal quality. Pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. In the meantime, let's prepare the masala for the Bisi Bele Bath. Heat a pan, add coriander seeds and dry roast until nice fragrant comes, about 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Now the coriander seeds have roasted well, transfer to a bowl. To the same pan, add chana dal and dry roast. Nice aroma is coming. Transfer to bowl. Add urad dal and dry roast. I prefer to dry roast my masala blend so that I would store any excess masala in an airtight container for up to 6 months. Also, I like dry roasting them separately so all the ingredients will be roasted evenly. If you don't have time, you can combine and roast them in oil. Be careful, some ingredients might get roasted faster while the rest will take a long time. Next, we will add cinnamon sticks. Add cloves and dry roast. Nice aroma is coming. Let's add it to the same bowl. Add cumin seeds and roast. Poppy seeds. Fenugreek, desiccated coconut. Stir continuously so the coconut does not burn. Dried chilies. Adjust chilies according to your taste. We're using BBB chili and Kashmiri chili for spice and color. You could add one variety of chilies. All spices have dry roasted well. Let it cool down a little bit. Let's heat a pan and add oil. We prefer to use sesame oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Add finely chopped carrots, green peas, and multicolored bell pepper. Adding vegetables is your choice. You could prepare this dish without vegetables if you prefer, but our family prefers to add vegetables. Some common vegetables you can add in this dish include carrots, string beans, peas, potatoes. Saute for 2 minutes. Add turmeric powder, salt, and saute well. Add 1 cup thin tamarind extract and 2 cups of water. Let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes until the raw smell goes away. Add jaggery. This is optional, but adding jaggery to Bisi Bele Bath will result in great flavors. In meantime, we have transferred the cooled roasted spices to a mixing grinder and made it into a fine powder. Wow! Look at the beautiful color and the smell of these spice blends. Now this definitely caught my nose's attention. It smells amazing. Let's keep it aside for now, safely. Rice and dal have cooked well. Let's mash it up using a masher. Raw smell has gone from the tamarind water. Now it's time to add cooked rice and dal to the mixture and mix well. Make sure to mix well so there aren't any lumps of the rice and dal. We like to mash everything up. If you prefer, you could add cooked rice and dal without mashing. Everything should be incorporated well. Now let's add the key ingredient to our Bisi Bele Bath. Slowly tip it over to make sure that the flavors get absorbed in our mashed rice and dal. We're using all the prepared masala. Add them in intervals and mix well so they don't form any lumps. Now comes the real flavor enhancer, ghee. Ah, what a wonderful taste. Add ghee and mix well. Let's heat a pan with sesame oil. While the oil is getting hot, let's add some chopped cilantro to the Bisi Bele Bath. Once oil is hot, add mustard seeds and allow it to crackle. Add fresh curry leaves. Add cashew nuts and fry until they become golden brown. Add the seasoning to hot Bisi Bele Bath. Stir well. Piping hot, flavorful Bisi Bele Bath is ready. Transfer to a serving dish. Garnish with seasoning, chopped cilantro, and lots of ghee. We are enjoying Bisi Bele Bath with papad and potato fry. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!